Welcome to our comparison of two powerhouse processors, the Intel Core i9-12900K and the AMD Ryzen 97950X. In this video, we will dive deep into their specifications, performance metrics, and unique features to help you determine which CPU is the best fit for your needs. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, understanding the strengths and weaknesses of these processors is crucial for making an informed decision. When it comes to gaming performance, the Intel Core i9-12900K generally has the edge over the AMD Ryzen 97950X. With its higher single-core boost clock speeds, the i9-12900K can deliver better frame rates in many popular games. However, the Ryzen 97950X still provides solid performance, making it a viable option for gamers who also engage in content creation. Ultimately, the choice may depend on the specific games you play and your overall system configuration. The AMD Ryzen 97950X shines in multitasking and productivity tasks, boasting 16 cores and 32 threads. This architecture allows it to handle demanding workloads such as video editing and 3D rendering with ease. In contrast, while the Intel Core i9-12900K also offers 16 cores, its hybrid architecture with performance and efficiency cores may not match the Ryzen's multitasking prowess. If your work involves heavy multitasking, the Ryzen 97950X is likely the better choice. In terms of pricing, the Intel Core i9-12900K is generally priced higher at $707, while the AMD Ryzen 97950X comes in at a slightly lower price of $699. This price difference can be significant for budget-conscious consumers. Additionally, the Ryzen 97950X's performance in multitasking applications may provide better value for those who require high core counts for their workloads. Therefore, if you're looking for a balance between performance and cost, the Ryzen 97950X may be the more appealing option. In conclusion, both the Intel Core i9-12900K and the AMD Ryzen 97950X are exceptional processors, each with its strengths. If gaming performance is your primary concern, the i9-12900K may be the better choice. However, if you prioritize multitasking and content creation, the Ryzen 97950X offers fantastic value. Ultimately, your decision should be based on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.